Hello, my name is Matthew Kay with Academic Technology and Creative Services. Welcome to this SacCT weighted total column video. Today we're going to view how to create and use a weighted total column in the Grade Center. Common uses are to calculate a total percent for the course according to your syllabus. For example, a final equals 40%, assignments equal 30%, quizzes equal 20%, and attendance equals 10%. And to calculate a total quiz score, dropping the lowest score. To start, log into My SacState or directly to SacCT. From your list of courses, click the title of the course where you wish to create the weighted total column. Go to the lower left navigation and click Grade Center. Click Full Grade Center. Before you create the new weighted total column, you may want to review the categories in your course. Categories are used to group like columns together so you can apply a percent to the whole category instead of individual columns. Categories are required if you want the system to drop the lowest score from a group of columns. To review the list of categories, click the Manage button and select Categories. This screen is only used to create a new category or to edit an existing category. We'll assign columns to a category shortly. If you want to create a new category, simply click the Create Category button and enter a name for your category. To move columns to a different category, we need to return to the Full Grade Center. Scroll down to the lower right and click OK. At the Full Grade Center, click Manage and select Column Organization. To change a category for a column, check the box next to one or more columns, then scroll to the bottom of the screen, click the Change Category button, and select the new category. Repeat these steps to assign a category to additional columns. When you're finished, scroll down and click Submit in the lower right corner. Now that you have the categories ready, let's create a new weighted total column. In the Full Grade Center, click Create Calculated Column and select the weighted column. Type a name for your new column. Select the Primary Display option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to Section 3 to begin building your formula. Select the columns from the top left box and click the arrow button to the right to move the columns to the Selected Columns box. Select the categories from the bottom left box and click the arrow button to the right to move the categories to the Selected Columns box. Notice that when categories are moved, you have additional options. For each column or category, enter the percent in the box. For a category, you can enter a number in the box next to lowest to drop that many of the lowest scores. If you do not want any scores to be dropped, then only enter the percent and leave the other boxes empty. Continue adding columns and categories and entering the proper percentages until the total weight is 100%. The next option is whether you want the system to calculate a running total or not. If you want a current running total of only what has been graded, then you can leave this option set to yes. If you want to force the system to enter a 0 for any task or assignment not completed by a student, then select no. Select your additional options in section 4. Click Submit to save your new weighted column. Your new weighted total column is now ready in the Grade Center. If you have questions, please contact us by phone, email, or visit our website. Thank you.